Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually going to show you this 5 Surprise Mini Brand Series 2. I've already gotten the Season 1, but I have the toys, but they're in a box, but I don't have so many, so I'm going to be unboxing one today. So let's get started. Need a... Alright, let's get started opening this big boy. Woo! Pretty hard. This is like pretty hard because I have short nails. I just cutted them off yesterday. Maybe that would help. There we go. The band is opening up. Oh, now I have to wrap another paper, which is pretty hard. I have short nails and like it hurts when you like peel something or like touch them. So like, yeah. Oh no, that's okay. Maybe I'll just cut this off and I'll be back when I pull off all the paper. So there we go. We got it all open. Now it's just time to take this off, which I'm trying to track where to open it. It's from here to here, here to there. Here. I found it. There we go. Wait, what does it say? One pet. Does that mean something about something? Does it mean it comes with a pet? It comes with a pet! I don't know. Probably it's just a description, something like that. Why doesn't this thing open? Ouch. I just hurt my nail. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I got it. Alright, I've got it open. Alright, so we got all our packagings here. Let's start with this one. Oh, there we go. Oh, I actually got a little 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brand. I've always wanted one of these. So here it is. It's so cutesy wootsy. Doesn't have nothing inside because people say that there's something inside, but there's nothing inside. So I guess we'll start with the white ones and then we'll go to pink. Oh, it's a car. That's cool. It's a little car. Oh, wow. We got a boom balloon. Oh, there's something actually inside. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's just white stuff inside. Yep, it's just white stuff inside. Imagine if there was actually something inside. Okay, let's go to these two. Oh, we got a rack. And I guess this is just a tool or something. Or is it another rack? Oh, it's a collector's guide. Oh, and this is actually a Baby Shark toy. Well, I'm not a baby, so thank you. Oh, and here's a collector's guide of Series 2. God, pretty hard to open in these things. Alright, so here are all the ones that you could collect. Pretty cool. Is that backwards? No. Okay, so here are all the ones that you could collect. So I'm checking if I have any rares, but I'm pretty sure I don't. My favorites are the Unicorn Surprise. Okay, the Unicorn Surprise and the where is it? Probably. Oh, where is it? Oh, the Shimmer and Shine dolls, like the Shimmer and Shine dolls, and also the. Oh right, there's like 5 surprise mini brands and 5 surprise mini brands fashion. Oh, and one of the Care Bears. And let's see. Oh, I already got this girl, and well, that's probably much it, I guess. Oh, and one of the fingerlings. Yeah, the little thing. Yeah, okay. So, these are all the toys I got. I got this one. I got this one. Oh. And so, this one. Oh my dog! Oh my dog! Oh my dog! Oh my dog! I fell. I fell. Ah. Okay, there we go. So, here are all the ones that I got. I got 5 Surprise Toy Mini Brand, a baby shark, a car, and a little package of Boom Boom balloons. So, let's build our little rack. No! Okay, I'm gonna have to pick that up. And I'll have to clean this all up. Alright, you've seen I've cleaned up everything. If you're wondering where the ball is, it's right here. Alright, so let's build our Rocky. I might also pause this, but it took forever to clean up. Just kidding, probably like some 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so it's telling us. Oh, the sticker. This is so cute. Okay, so I guess you like just. Wait, it's missing a part. Wait, isn't it missing a sticker? Or does it look like? Oh, it looks like that, but mine came with this sticker, so. Alright, so we need like these. Oh wow, it has this. Alright, this. Then we put it on a little bit up, like right here, I guess. Oh, and it rolls. Oh, but wait, doesn't it have to be like at the very, very bottom? I guess so. Oh, and then you stack them up till the end, but I don't know how to put this up. Alright, so this one's gonna be like a little bit like. Oh, you're supposed to put it on the second one, not on the first one. Oh well, but I guess we'll just have to put it on the second one. This is so boring for you guys. I bet you guys are just so bored watching me build this, but take your patience, and if you want to skip the video, we'll skip it. Alright, so this is probably like. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. Just give me a minute. I'll be done. Okay, I got it back. This is the problem. I don't know how to get this in. You just like put it in here, like that, or just like here, or like this. I guess so, or something. I guess so. My mom just left, and I need her help. But sometimes I need my mother. Alright, I guess that's it. We're just gonna put it like this. Our rack is done. Now it's just need to put our bear sticker on. That was actually kind of satisfying. Alright, looks like we put. This is what I hate about stickers. That when you. Alright, we should now just put in this sticker first. I don't think that's how it goes, but like it looks horrible. This is what you call A thing? That is what you call... This is what you call a rack? Is this what you call a rack? Is this even what you call a rack? Is this what you call a rack? Well, I know. It's a terrible sticker. I don't know how to put stickers, okay? Alright. So... You might see my face. Alright, I'm gonna put this. Well, this is satisfying. Like, hear this. Pretty satisfying. It feels so cool. Right, this time I need to focus on these stickers. There we go. There we go. It is taking forever, I know. It's literally 6:56 right now here in Grove, Oklahoma. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna pause the video. It's fine. There we go. We got it. Alright, now it's time for the bear thing. Oh, did I do it? Did I put it inside? Wait, just... Yes, I did! On the right one I did. Okay, there we go! I just needed to push hard. Alright, there we go. There we go, folks. That's it. Alright, just put that there. And let's stick our little toys. Okay. We'll put you up here. Okay, you know what? You can't stack them like that. Put you up there. You're gonna fall automatically. There we go. There we go. Now they're far away on a planet that nobody could touch together. Like this. Looks like the baby has joined us. A baby has joined us. Say hello to the viewers who are watching you. Say hello to the viewers who are watching you.
Ya no lo voy a dejar que traigan refresco y les voy a decir a tu papá que...
Say hello to the viewers who are watching you. Say hello. Say hello to the viewers who are watching you. Are you going to say hello? Say la la. Are you going to say hello? Are you going to say hello? Are you going to say hello? She's so bald. Why are you so bald? Okay, you guys watch my little baby sister while I... Can I even put it in? You don't want people to see you? Woo! Eating Doritos, aren't you? Let's go. So this is how it came. I tried to organize it, but the little... No. Well, she just threw it away, but... Yeah. I mean, it looks perfectly.